episode of The Build. Today we're in Boston. Now, that's crazy. Alright guys, welcome to another episode of the vlog. Today I really don't know what this vlog's about, so we're gonna find some shit and we're gonna do something. Me and Bree are driving a drive right now that we drive all the time. I'm trying to count the amount of times I can say drive. But we're driving this, and literally, normally this takes about, at this time of the day, this is rush hour traffic, it takes about like an hour and 10 minutes, and we're probably only 20 minutes away, and it's only been like 20 minutes. It's crazy, just because of all like the quarantine stuff, coronavirus, all this stuff. Right now I basically got to go, for my company Film Estates, we shoot real estate media. I screwed up, missed a room last time we shot a house. So I need to go back, shoot that room real quick, and then it should be roughly right around sunset. So I was thinking I could do like a little photo shoot with the M3. Maybe we can get Bree to record some video here. It'll just be like, from her recording.
It'll be super messy.
I'm at this car's second home right now. It pretty much always lives here, at least, you know, 1 to 2 times a week. Got those new satin pearl gold wheels. Looking good still. Okay, first of all, how did I get water right there on my window? Second of all, life living with a BMW right here. Adaptive headlight error? Alright, so we ended up in Mexico, right? That's where we're at right now, Mexico?
Yep. Mexico.
Oh, it's 2020, you can't do that.
Oh.
Try again.
We are.
Alright guys. M3.
328i.
Hey, shh, don't tell them. It sounds good though. For a 328i, it sounds pretty damn good. How does that sound for a 328i? We gotta take some pictures before we get kicked out of here. Come up closer to the one stuff. Here's someone talking.
I hear people talking, but I don't see them. Are you dropping things?
Apparently. Alright, see you later.
Okay, bye. I'll walk home.
So she's getting all mad at me right now because she's like, I'm cold, I'm cold. She wanted to snap photos, now she does it. I mean, but look at this. Look at this lighting right here. Look at this spot.
Your girlfriend's like, workout clothes. Drinking things to come.
What's wrong with you? I don't even think you did anything. I think you're just like, you look like you're like a broken like toy or something. Say Instagram. Alright, let's go. Turn towards the sun. A little bit right there. Perfect. There's nothing better than snapping photos with a good sunset. Look at this right now. Look at that. I got the camera on the car too, scratching up my my gloss black wrap. Just so you guys know, if you ever want to do wrap gloss black, don't. It looks scratched in 3.5 seconds.
And I said, ooh, I'ma get a half of the town in a boo. We be throwing out this in Kalamazoo. Thinking I went platinum, the sound of the room.
Hey, you trying to text over there?
Yeah. Oh.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's vlog. It was a short one, I know, but figured I'd show you guys something same as what I'm always doing. I don't know, shit. But it's time to go home, eat some food, chill, quarantine up, and you know, try not to get the coronavirus. In all seriousness, guys, stay safe out there. I know I'm making some jokes right now, but just trying to lighten the mood and the times right now. But I'll catch you guys next time.